Hi, is your visual cortex resting while you are making a geometric observation? The mind is racing, and that is what we have been discussing over the week. We cannot stop that, you know, because the mind is designed for survival, our survival, and it ensures that we are safe in all the circumstances. So it races, it categorizes, and it terms something to be safe, and then it allows some peace, but by that time it is again caught up with something else. It is like, say, thousands of years of conditioning. So slowly it is evolving into executive brain, and we are learning how to let go of the survival brain and making more use of the executive brain. Now, let us not get into the technicality of the things, right? Uh, Please take into your brain that without a phone, without having the urge to tell somebody something, can we calmly experience something? And that has been my natural instinct till I learned how to respond to every situation. Take a photograph, take a picture, respond, and all the time be in the go. It is not being in the flow. So my flow is natural to be calm, to be silent, to be listening, right? And that is how I enrich myself. And if people know otherwise, then that is their problem. I just listen to most of the time. So yeah, even when the whole world is kind of shouting something contrary, do stand tall to what you want and what have been your natural behavior. Since most of us behave in a certain way these days, that is why the listening and the slowing down is required. Now, I'll give you this fight which intrigued me today. A tree doesn't compare while it is growing, and there is a different speed to the growth. Not every tree grow in the same manner, so there is a chance of comparison, right? But the tree doesn't is not wary of the other's growth, so there is no comparison. Have you noticed that? The second thing is the insect. The insects pause when it is coming away from its group. It pause to reorient yourself because it is conditioned to be in a group atmosphere. So if it is kind of isolated from its group, then it takes pause to reorient where it is and then takes action. So that pause is very essential. Can we learn from that? The third is the water, when a flowing water encounters a brick or a stone or a mountain, it doesn't fight with it. It just flows around it, which is the path of least resistance. Why waste our energy in something uh, which doesn't serve our purpose? If the water has to flow, it has to flow. It doesn't have any business in fighting. Then the fourth one is the clouds follow their path. They do not climb to each other. They do not climb to the sky. They follow their path till they precipitate from the stage of formation to the stage of precipitation. And the leaf is symmetrical across its plane. Have you ever seen the leaf? to be fighting with the right side, left side fighting with the right side. So why I'm saying all these situations is these are the situations where we can start taking that into our behavior to slow down the mind racing. Sorry about that. It is so peaceful that I'm yawning. I'm getting sleep and hope this brings such peace and calm to your mind as well. I will not ask you to take something, do something. It will be great if you can. If you can kind of comment on whatever you have listened to. And on Sundays, I have this session at 3. You can join that session for your one to one discovery call. Now, it kind of sounds very marketing thing, but I'm looking for leaders, green leaders, who vibe at the same vibration as myself, so that we together we can work towards a cleaner, calmer, cooler, greener, richer globe, which is my vision. And everybody, based on their priority, their aptitude, their taste, they can contribute towards that vision. We owe our existence to the only living planet in the universe so far we have known. So, hence, hence the dream, hence the requirement to be together. Hope you understand that, and we'll be meeting soon in a Sunday session at 3 p.m. So, if you want, then you can uh, express your interest to be in that session, and I'll give you a link to join that session. Thank you for watching.